Alright YouTube, GarageBoys here, back at it again. On today's episode, I'm going to show you a common issue with the Ford Escape. This issue will be between the 2008 all the way up to 15 Ford Escape probably. But if you have this car, you may have this issue. It's a very common issue. Let me show you what it does. So when you try to turn on the car, it doesn't turn. It's not the battery, it's not the starter either. It's just it doesn't turn. It's very common with Escapes. Now the solution for this is very simple. Let me show you how to turn on your car if you're stuck somewhere like at a gas station or something. Just turn the key, and now you're gonna have to push in. Just push. Let me show you. Push in and turn. So basically, let me show you that in slow motion. All right, let me focus. So if you just turn, it's not gonna work, right? But if you come to this position, push in the key, push it in. See, push it more in, and then turn. It turns on the car. Because if you just turn straight, it's not gonna turn on. You have to give it that extra push when you're at this level, level 2. Turn, push, and turn. So that's how you bypass that issue with this car. Now, the proper solution is replacing the whole switch, but you have to. It's actually a lot of work. You have to open this whole casing and replacing that. It's actually. And removing basically the steering wheel, you kind of have to pull it out a little bit so you can replace the whole switch. It's kind of like a big issue, big job, which I'm not going to show you that. This is just a quick fix. I hope that helped you guys. If it did, please like, subscribe. If you know somebody that has this vehicle, share this video with him. I'm sure it's going to help him a lot because this is a very common issue. But all right, guys, have a great day. Thanks for watching.